Welcome to another tutorial. I'll be teaching you how to fold a heart with a secret message like this. The way to access the secret message is like pull the sides. This is my sixth video. If you haven't liked the video and subscribed, please do. If you can like, subscribe, and comment done in the comments, you're a legend in the next 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Did you? I hope you did. Let's get to it. You need like square paper. It can be any color you want it to be. The paper should be preferably 20 times 20 size. But if you don't have 20 times 20 paper, then you can just use like any square paper, not an A4 paper. If you have like one side colored paper, put the colored side up first. Let's get to it. So first, fold the paper in half like so. Oh god. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't. If you want the best result, then you should like line it up nicely like this. In the next step, we fold this side of the paper to this side of the paper. Then we do the same on the other side. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. If you want me to do an art style, you can comment it down below. Also, I will be doing crochet videos sometimes, so if you want to follow along, you can. Okay, next step, fold this part in half, like this. So it's like a nice little square. Well, yeah. Then, I know this seems silly, but fold it back out again. Next, flip this corner to over here. Like, make the corners touch the top or the bottom. Do it for every side, like this. Okay, next step, I know you may get confused with this one, but just remember, fold the paper out so it looks like a stretched out hexagon or octagon or something. Then, fold this part of the paper out and do it like this. Do the same for the other side, except on this part of the paper. Okay, now fold it back in, so it's like this. Next, pull this down, but the thing is, only fold it along this line. Here. Got it? Okay. now do the same for the other side. Except hold it only until here. Okay, next step. Fold it again. Only fold until here though. Do the same for the other side. Just saying, this would make a great Valentine's Day gift. Or like, just a little act of kindness. Okay, now you should have made it like this. Okay, now you can write your secret message in right here. In this rhombus. I don't know about you, but I'm still a kid, so I'm just gonna write like, I hope you have the best day ever. But you guys can write something else according to what you guys want. It may take a long time for you to write your secret message, so you can pause the video and write it if you want. Okay, so next step, fold this part, to this part, and no, not like this. Like, fold these two parts to the middle, like this. And do the same for the other side. Like this. Okay, next, fold it together. Like, fold all these up. Like this. I know it doesn't look like a heart right now, but you'll see. You'll see how it works. Okay. You see this part right here, right? Right? Okay, now, like, just slide your finger in and push it down. So the bottom part's like this, and the top part's like this. Okay, now look inside these holes. You see this little pocket, right? So put this thing, this sheet, this piece of paper, into the pocket. I know it may have something like this, but never mind. At least you're making it. Do the same for the other side. I know this might be hard, but yeah. Okay, so now it's like this, right? We have the bottom of the heart, and then if you really want to make it look like a heart, you can fold this part down. Well, in any size that you want, but I'm just folding it small because it's a very small paper. You can, if you look at it from the other side, it'll look like this. You can also fold the corners into. There. Okay. Now you can customize it all you want. For me, I'm gonna do a face like this. I feel like you should use Posca markers for this. Cause like they go on origami paper pretty good. But anyway, if you don't want to customize it, then you can just skip this part and go right to the end. Okay, we're done. We're done for today. I hope you liked this video. Bye!